Today we're going to show how to cut a sink out in a worktop. First of all, place the sink on the worktop in the rough position. Lay some masking tape around it. The masking tape is so we can draw the lines and also protect the top when we cut it. Take the sink off again. Lay some more tape on so we can mark the lines. Final piece on the outside while this narrow tape just to protect the worktop. Place the sink back on again. Determine its position on the worktop. Keeping it parallel to the front edge. Once we're happy with that, mark around the outside edge. Or if you've got a template, you could use a template to provide it. Mark inside that line by 10mm. It gives us our cut line. Join those lines up. The next thing to do is to drill a hole in each corner, so we're not cutting to a sharp point. It gives the start point for the jigsaw. In this case we're using a 13mm diameter drill bit. We just sight the two lines with the drill bit. Next thing is to cut the shape. Right, to cut the hole out, I'm going to use a jigsaw with a fairly coarse blade. I'm also going to use the extractor just to keep the dust down. To protect the worktop from breaking. Usually the top's cut off the kitchen unit on trestles, so when the centre section gets cut out it becomes very weak and it can snap in the middle quite easily. This is a 28mm top, so it's thinner than normal. So we use the trestles to protect the top from breaking. Cut the centre section out. So, it should be our shape. So take some sandpaper and look all the sharp edges. So the holes formed, we would normally apply silicone to the cut edge to seal the open chipboard in case any water got in. But in this case we're not, just for speed. So the next thing is to try the sink on to make sure we've got the right size hole. So that sits in nicely. So we turn it over to fit the clips. In this particular case, because we've got a thin worktop, we're going to go for the lower slot. The normal worktop would be the top slot, the normal as in 35mm. So the sink, that is clips on now, so we'll turn that back over, place it into the worktop. Which the clips in together into the top. We then turn the whole assembly over. Obviously if it's a long worktop you need a hand for this. And the clips can be pushed in and screwed down. You get them all near enough to the top first of all before you tighten them fully. I wouldn't advise the use of a power tool on this because you can chew the screws quite easily. You can't feel what force you're applying. So now you've got all the clips close enough down. Make sure the sink is central to its cutout. And then you can tighten the hole down. So that's tightened in now, so we can turn that back over. And then we can fit the tap.